You shouldn't be doing anything that you don't enjoy. Absolutely not. Life is too precious. 2021 has been a year of a lot of things being put in perspective. Too many things. What a rough year, man. Not financially. We've done well. Unfortunately, we're Inc. 5000 company, all these things going on, but man, has life come into perspective now. You shouldn't be doing anything that you don't enjoy. Absolutely not. And I mean it, man. Doesn't matter what you are, who you are, how you're doing it. I've always joked about, not joke, but in my content, I used to say a lot, people say, you know, life is short, you need to enjoy it. And you can't be too busy working, you gotta enjoy life. And I always tell them on my content, I say, well, if you ask, I don't know who remembers seeing any of that on that stuff, but I say, if you ask a homeless man, if they feel life is short for them, man, does that clock move slow for them. Those 24-hour days for them are a week. They just like, imagine being on the streets, having no production, having no, you don't have any jobs, you don't have any responsibilities, and you're homeless. Those days are gruesome. They're long days, you know, and people pass you by and you're trying to sleep and you don't want to sleep and you're like, oh my God, I just try to think about what these guys go through. It's unbearable. So I always tell people, look, life is not short. But if one thing has shifted a little bit on my mind is like, God damn, is it short? It really is, right? So I got two the viewpoints depending on what we are talking about and what we're looking at. When it comes to accomplishing success in life and being financially free and accomplishing goals and targets, it's not short. You got to work. You got to put the energy on it. Work is important. Dedication and going up the org in a good group. It's important. Doing what you don't like because you got to survive. Life is short, and you shouldn't be doing that, right? It's rough, right? Like it's, you know, it's a pain in the ass. It's a pain in the ass to be doing something every day that you hate, you dislike. So I strongly encourage you guys to either find a passion, find a love for what you do, or move on and keep on searching until you find something, right? I know sometimes it's easier said than done because you got to meet ends meet, you got to pay the rent, you got to pay for your life, for your kids and everything. So it's a little bit of a challenge sometimes, but hey, you know, if you keep on looking, opportunities will present themselves. I like to feel that I'm creating here an opportunity for you guys to discover that passion and to really enjoy what you're doing every day and have fun. It's fun. For me, doing this every day, it's fun. And I know I see a lot of guys having fun, right? And that's what it's all about, having fun and really enjoying what we're doing, especially because when it's all said and done, 1 out of every 3 hours in your life is being spent at work. It's a lot. It's a lot of time. 30% of your life is spent at work, whether you are remotely, like our incredible teams from the Philippines, or you are here with us locally. It's 30% of your time. That's a lot. So make sure that you are doing something, develop a passion, find a passion, do something that you enjoy every single day, and provide that value to the group, and work towards getting that group to feel like they owe you. You know, how do you grow in an organization? You get to the point in which you're giving more to that organization than it's giving back to you. So what happens along the way? If you have good executives and you have good management, that organization needs to try to gain exchange with you. That's the way it works. If it doesn't, along the way, people quit and they leave because it's out of proportion. I'm giving more value than what I'm getting. You know what? I got to move on because I didn't see a road for me to continue to expand. It's quite special to be able to be a part of a group that you feel like it's a family and you have fun with, but at the same time, you're able to get more from that group along the way because you're giving more. It's actually very, very powerful.